Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter Product Reviews. Today we're looking at the Credit Card Tool Multitool. It's an 18-in-1 and 3 reasons why you should have this item. Number 1, of the 18-in-1 tools, there's several tools on here you're not going to find on some of the other credit card format size tools. So that's going to be well worth looking into. Reason number 2, and this one might be handier than you think, as you see up front as it comes around, it has a 2-inch serrated blade. So when you're trying to cut through some of that thick packing tape and don't have a pair of scissors handy, this is very handy. You also see that there is a striker blade on front that can help you get a little fire started if that's what you need to do. There's also a rather substantial bottle opener you see up top, and it's also got like the toothpick, the miniature tweezers. These are things that not a lot of your cards will carry, so that's something well worth handy to have, and it's you find out when you need it, and that's when you don't have it. So take a look at this and think about getting one in your collection today.